Hi everyone.
Hi.
I'm very surprised to stand here and just talk to you guys because I've never done anything like this. But Mr. Khos just convinced me with twisting my arm and stand here and talk to you guys. First of all, my name is Khos and my background is engineering, and I'm sponsored by Culture and Shabana, and my upline darling is Teddy, great Teddy. Okay. And just want to thank you, for letting us at the meeting here tonight, and to all of you guys, happy Diwali.
Thank you.
And hope this goes great. I'm looking forward to the food. That's what we wanted to do first, have the food first and then the talk. For all of us, basically, there's such a thing in BWW. They have got a standing order, which is a program. It's an educational program for all of us, to learn new things, learn new grounds, and a lot of people who have actually made it to the top, they share their experience with us, basically the pitfalls they have gone through and the successes they've made. And these cities, basically, they are selected by the executive committee, which created, to encourage us, to learn more about business and show us the way how the system is really working. And at the moment, I'm actually going to talk to you about the two CDs which I'm listening to constantly at the moment. The number is BWW 1019 CD A and B, and the speakers are Charlie and Ann Durso. And I've listened to a number of CDs, and every CD I listen to, I try to make a point to pick something at least. Some of them, I find not very, how can I put it, not bad, but I cannot just relate to it. So, and some of them, are great, but I still, try to make a point, learning something from these, because, they're very useful tools for us. The way I look at these CDs, especially like this one, is I'm a student in this business. I'm learning, and every chance I get, and for somebody to show me what's the right way to go forward, it's great. All these people who are basically speaking on these CDs and these seminars or whatever they have actually been where I am today. They have made a lot of mistakes to get where they are, and they're trying to show me the way I look at it, not to make the same mistakes. Everybody says, well, you can't talk, to people. Why not? You do that every day. That's what Charlie says. You talk to people every day throughout your day. So how can it be difficult, to talking to some people about some business? But believe me, it is something. It is difficult. If you have never done that, it is really the mind-boggling. How do I approach people? How do I just, talk to these people without me finding them, or them finding me offensive? Don't say anything, to scare them. Maybe, they are the prospect, I can bank on. But what should I say? But in this CD, it really goes through the mechanic, and it really shows you basically how to start with take the first step. How to talk to people, how to basically make people encouraged about a lot of the things we're learning or we're doing about this business. It mainly shows you that you are a business owner. You are not basically just doing some ground or legwork for other people. You actually, what you're putting in, you're going to benefit at the end of it from it. A lot of the phrases he uses in here, and I've picked up and I use throughout my days. Like, for example, if I give somebody an article to read, I used to say, well, what do you think about it? How do you find it? I don't do that anymore. So what do you find interesting about it? Open the ground, just to discuss this, to take it one step further, rather than just taking it out of your hand. Well, I think this, and instead of you being basically the presenter, you become basically something else being presented to you, someone else's opinion. And that's what you don't want. And I really do find this, as I said, CD, it is really great. I keep changing it, taking it from the card, trying to change it, but I find, I've got another one, to listen to, so I just keep listening to it. Overall, it is really great CD as far as, I'm concerned anyway, and I really do suggest, to the new guys, do listen to these and do sort of take the standing order, because they are the tools for us to use for the business to go further. And on that basis, I just hope we all make it to the top, and let us all go diamond.
All right. Awesome.
And my goals, actually, listening to this, I used to think about basically, what I'm going to do next week, or what I'm going to do basically next month. But it actually encourages me just, to look beyond that, a year, 2 years, maybe 5 years goals, I'm setting up. At the moment, I've just made, 300, points, and it's great. I'm going for the 600, and keep listening to this, before now, I'll be out there. Thank you very much, guys.